Hello students, today we are going to do a new chapter number 4, that is decimal representation of rational number. A rational number can be written in decimal form also, decimal number, and a decimal number will be either terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal number. Terminating decimal numbers are called non-recurring decimal or non-repeating, and the non-terminating decimals are called recurring decimal or repeating decimals. Now we take some examples and I'll explain here what is terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. 1 by 3. So if you divide 1 by 3, you'll get this number 0.333. 3 is repeating indefinitely. So this is non-terminating decimal number because 3 is repeating indefinitely. So this number can be written or represented in this form also, 0.3 bar. Since 3 is repeating, so you put a bar on the figure 3. That is, this digit is repeating. The bar will indicate that the figure is repeating indefinitely. So this decimal number is called non-terminating decimal or non-terminating rational number. Next example, 8 by 3. You divide 8 by 3. 3 to the 6, subtract, we'll get 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. So you place a 0 point over here and then you write a 0 over here. 20. 6 3s are 18. Subtract 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. So write a 0 over here. 6 3s are 18. Subtract, remainder will be 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. So write a 0 over here. 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 0. So you see here 6 is repeating indefinitely. 6 repeating indefinitely. So this is called non-terminating decimal number because after decimal some figures, some digits are repeating indefinitely. So here 6 is repeating indefinitely. So this decimal number is called non-terminating or recurring decimal number or repeating. Since 6 is repeating indefinitely, so you put a bar on the figure 6. That is, this digit is repeating indefinitely. Next, 20 by 8. Divide 20 by 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Subtract, remainder will be 4. 4 is not divisible by 8. So you place a decimal point over here and then you write a 0 over here. 5 into 8, 5 8 are 40, remainder is 0. So we have got 2.5. So after decimal we have definite number of figures, definite number of digits. So this is terminating decimal number or non-recurring decimal number or non-repeating decimal, because after decimal point we have definite number of figures. We have only one figure, only one digit after decimal. So this is called terminating decimal number. Another example, 10 by 3. You divide 10 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Subtract 1, remainder. 1 is not divisible by 3, so you place a decimal point over here and then write a 0 over here. 10 you divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. Remainder will be 1. Write a 0 over here. 10. 3 3s are 9. So here you see this digit is repeating indefinitely. So this is non-terminating decimal number. 3 is repeating indefinitely. So this number can be represented as 3.3 bar because this digit is repeating indefinitely. 5 by 3. Divide 5 by 3. 1 3 is 3. Remainder is 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. So place a decimal point over here and then write a 0 over here. 20. 6 3s are 20. 6 3s are 18. subtract 2. 2 is not divisible by 3, so write a 0 over here. 6 3s are 18. So here you see 6 is repeating indefinitely, so this is non-terminating decimal number because 6 is repeating indefinitely, so it is 1.6 bar. 7 by 2, divide 7 by 2. 3 into 2, 6, remainder is 1. 1 is not divisible by 2, place a decimal point over here, write a 0 over here. 10, 5 2s are 10, remainder is 0, so 3.5. So this is terminating decimal number because after decimal point we have definite number of figures, 5, only one figure. So this is terminating decimal number. Okay, understood what is terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal?